Well, hello my singing friends, Joan here again, and welcome once again to my studio/office. And I'm recording this video because I was asked to demonstrate singing with the mask on. And I was asked not to just do warm-ups, but to actually sing something big. So I've chosen some Puccini, and specifically the aria O mio babino caro. So it's an aria that we all know very well, but actually it's been ages since I've sung it. So I had a little bit of work before, recording this, and so hopefully it's nice and fresh. But I am taking the time to actually talk with you for a little bit because I want you to see that I'm wearing the mask, that I am talking freely, and that you can see that I'm just speaking quite freely. Now, I have to say, it's not as comfortable as not wearing a mask. A mask is always more uncomfortable than not wearing a mask. And if you do have to rehearse with a mask, I would highly recommend that you practice that at home. Like anything that's new, we have to get used to it. And just imagine if you had never worn shoes in your life and suddenly we've put a pair of shoes on your feet. Imagine how you'd feel. It would be very uncomfortable. Just think of those dogs that have those little boots put on their feet and then they start dancing around sort of funny. It's just they're not used to it. So that's something that's important to keep in mind. It is not as comfortable as singing without a mask, there is no doubt. But the advantage of this design is that the fabric is far from the mouth. So when you do a big inhale, the fabric just comes in a little bit, but it never hits your mouth. And also when you open, there's lots of room to open. So those are the two key things that I didn't find anywhere else in any other masks. I did find some masks that sit away from the face, but they're small and they don't allow me to open up my mouth in order to do a big sound or something like that. So that's the reason for this design. So now that you've heard me talk a little bit, now without further ado, I am going to start to sing. O mio babino caro, mi piace bello, bello, andare in porta rosa a comperar l'anello. Sì, sì.